In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Teachable to create and sell courses. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your course, add your lessons, choose a pricing model, and accept payments with confidence. We'll start by creating your course. In your Teachable dashboard, head to Products, then select New Course. Give your course a clear, descriptive name and fill in the details so learners know exactly what they'll get. Think about who the course is for and the result they'll achieve. When you're ready, click Create to start. If you already have a course set up, you can simply choose it from Products and continue working there. A quick tip: a specific title and a concise overview make it easier for students to find and trust your course. Next, add your content. Inside the course, go to the Curriculum section. This is where you structure your material. Start by adding sections to outline the major milestones or modules, then add lessons within each section. Keep lessons focused and digestible, and consider a logical flow that moves learners from basics to more advanced topics. You can include videos, text, and downloads to support different learning styles. As you build, preview your lessons to see them as a student would, and adjust the order by dragging and dropping until the sequence feels natural. Clear section names and short, actionable lessons help keep learners engaged. Now, set your pricing. Teachable lets you choose how you want to sell: free, one-time payment, subscription, or a payment plan. Free can work well for lead generation or a short introductory course. One-time payment is a straightforward option for a complete course with a clear outcome. Subscription is ideal for ongoing content, coaching, or a community where you deliver value over time. A payment plan can lower the upfront barrier for higher-priced programs while still securing a full purchase commitment. Match your pricing model to the length of your course, the type of content, and how often you plan to update it. Finally, set up payments. Enable payment processing by connecting Stripe or PayPal, or use Teachable. Pay if it's available to you. Teachable handles the checkout flow and takes care of taxes during the purchase process, which simplifies compliance and reduces friction at checkout. Make sure your business details are accurate, confirm your payout method, and double-check that your pricing is displayed correctly before sharing your course. That's it. You've created your course, organized your curriculum, set your pricing, and enabled payments so you can start selling.